So hello guys, welcome back to my another vlog. So today in this vlog I am going to show you this botanical garden which is located in Trivandrum district in Palod. So let's go. So guys, right now we are entering the botanical garden. So I am here with my family members and he's Srinivas, he's my cousin, and uh, and my entire family is here. So guys, there you can see the bust of Jawaharlal Nehru over there. So guys, this is hibiscus delicious. The name is complicated for me to spell it out, but in my language it's called as Taipirithi. And this tree is full of branches over here, and it's looking beautiful. And another specialty of this tree is that this tree is only grown in India, Sri Lanka, and South America. So guys, here you can see one of the certified fossil of this angiosperm tree, which is 22 million years old. So guys, here you can see this pitcher plant which is eating insects. So here I am going to try to put my finger inside the pitcher plant. I don't know how many of you guys tried that. So I am going to put my finger. Nothing is happening. I am not scared to do that. Nothing is happening. It's not eating my finger. So guys, now I am going to show you some of the medicinal plants which is used to make medicines. So guys, over there you can see uh, something like white in color. It's the waterfalls. I hope you guys can see that. So guys, now we are going to play one small game. Like we are going to check who's going to throw this stone for the most distance. Like whose stone is going to reach the most distance. So let's try. Ready? Ali? So guys, first Shinas is going to try to throw the stone. So I am going to shoot his video. Whoa! I don't think so. I can throw for that much distance. I'll try my level best. Now I'm going to throw the stone. Oh, fail. So guys, now we are going to enter the helper garden over there. So let's open the door. So guys, now I'm going to enter this helper garden. We got some special permission to enter this garden. Now I'm going to open this door. So let's go. So guys, here is a small pond over here, and there are small tiny fishes there. I don't know, like you guys can see them. So guys, here you can see this old traditional Indian house over here, and we are going to enter this house. So let's go. Here you can see some baskets. These are all traditional baskets which are made of some kind of natural materials. It's not plastic. This is the olden way of making baskets. And here is the, what to say. Here we are grinding our spices with this equipment over here. This is a traditional way of grinding spices. In our modern life, we are using mixer grinders for that. This is the best way of grinding. So guys, here you can see Itti Achyutan Vaidya. Like that's his name. He is the physician. Like in your language, if you are saying this is the physician, this Ayurvedic medicine, he will use Ayurvedic medicines to cure diseases. And it's just a wax statue made over here.
അച്യുതൻ വൈദ്യർ ആലപ്പുഴയിൽ ജീവിച്ചിരുന്ന ആളാണ്. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഹോസൂർ മലബാർക്കസ് എന്ന പുസ്തകം എഴുതാൻ ഡച്ചുകാരനായ വാൻഡ്രൂസ് എന്ന സാഹിബിനെ സഹായിച്ചത് അച്യുതൻ വൈദ്യരാണ്. എല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കും ഒക്കെ ചെയ്ത്. ഇതെന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇതൊരു ഗുരുകുല സമ്പ്രദായം ഒരു കാലത്ത് നാട്ടിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ആ കാണുന്നിടത്ത് മണിയടിച്ച് ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ അടുക്ക വന്ന് ചികിത്സിച്ചിരുന്ന ഒരു കാലഘട്ടം ഉറപ്പെടുത്തുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇതിനകത്ത് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ഈ ഇത്രയും സ്ഥലത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ കാണുന്ന ഈ ചുവരിനകത്തുള്ള ഒരൊറ്റ ചെടിക്കും പ്ലാന്റ് തന്നെ ഐഡന്റിഫിക്കേഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. അതിൻ്റെ കാര്യം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇതൊരു പ്രോജക്റ്റായിട്ട് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മീഡിയം സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന പല സ്കൂളുകളിലും കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഈ ഫീൽഡുമായിട്ടൊരു ബന്ധമില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഓരോ ചെടികളും പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുത്ത ശേഷം ഈ അകത്തൊട്ടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഇത് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് ഒരു പരീക്ഷ നടത്തും. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചെറിയ പേനയോ ഇതൊക്കെ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കും. ചെടിയും കുട്ടികളുമായിട്ട് കൂടുതൽ അടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
So here they are trying to like make a bond between the plants, the nature and the people over here. So So they have created a wonderful place over here. Like you guys can visit and see. And the identification of these plants are not yet discovered. So this is just for like knowledge. Like they are trying to create an atmosphere to share knowledge. So guys, we are saying bye to our ETH then by there. Bye. So guys, here I am going to ring the old traditional bell, Indian bell. I hope you guys want to hear it again. So guys, right now we are in middle of the forest. As you can see, in my left side also you can see the forest area. We are not going there because we don't have enough time to go there. So we are going back to our home.